Physical properties of alkanes. Alkanes are almost non-polar. Different alkane molecules are held together by weak van der Waals forces. Alkanes are hydrophobic in nature. We know that polar substances are soluble in polar solvents like water, whereas non-polar substances are soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, carbon tetrachloride. Consider alkanes. It is found that boiling point of different alkanes increases with increase in molecular mass. So as the molecular mass of the alkane increases, boiling point also increases. It is due to an increase in the van der Waals forces with increase in surface area. Now consider the boiling points of isomeric alkanes. For example, consider the isomers of pentane, normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane. Normal pentane is a straight chain hydrocarbon or alkane. Since it is a straight chain alkane, the surface area will be maximum. It has minimum branching. Since the surface area is larger, there will be increased van der Waals forces among the normal pentane molecules, and hence normal pentane has the highest boiling point. Among the isomers of pentane, neopentane has maximum branching. As a result of maximum branching in neopentane, the surface area will be minimum and hence it has lowest boiling point. Thus we can say that boiling point decreases with increase in branching. Next we shall discuss the various reactions given by alkanes. First one, substitution reaction. Halogenation is a substitution reaction. We know that in a substitution reaction, one atom or group of atoms takes the place of another atom or group of atoms. Now consider halogenation. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give chloromethane and HCl. Here, one hydrogen atom present in methane is replaced by chlorine, and that is how we get the product chloromethane. Now consider chloromethane. It then reacts with chlorine to give dichloromethane CH2Cl2 and HCl. Here one more hydrogen gets replaced by chlorine. Dichloromethane thus formed further reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give trichloromethane and HCl. Trichloromethane further reacts with chlorine to give carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane CCl4 and HCl. So in this reaction we find that the hydrogen atoms gets replaced by chlorine atoms. Another reaction given by alkanes is controlled oxidation. Alkanes, on heating with a regulated supply of oxygen or air at high pressure and in the presence of suitable catalyst, give a variety of oxidation products. For example, methane reacts with oxygen in the presence of copper catalyst at 523 Kelvin and 100 atmosphere pressure to give the product methanol. Methane reacts with oxygen in the presence of catalyst molybdenum trioxide to give methanol, HCHO and water. Ethane reacts with oxygen in the presence of manganese acetate to give ethanoic acid CH3COOH and water. Ordinarily, alkanes resist oxidation, but alkanes having tertiary hydrogen atom can be oxidized to the corresponding alcohols by potassium permanganate. For example, if we consider 2-methyl propane, when treated with KMNO4, it undergoes oxidation and the product obtained is 2-methyl propan2-ol. That is, an alcohol is obtained. Consider the next reaction given by alkanes, which is isomerization. By this reaction, straight chain alkanes can be converted into branch chain isomers, and the reaction is carried out in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and HCl. For example, normal hexane, when treated with anhydrous aluminum chloride and HCl, gives the isomers 2-methyl pentane and 3-methyl pentane. So when an alkane is treated with anhydrous aluminum chloride, it undergoes isomerization. Another reaction given by alkanes is aromatization. By this reaction, an alkane can be converted into an aromatic compound. For example, hexane gets converted into benzene when treated with catalysts like chromium trioxide Cr2O3 or vanadium pentoxide V2O5 at a temperature of 773 Kelvin and 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure. Normal hexane CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, it gets converted into benzene C6H6. Reaction with steam. Methane reacts with steam at 1273 Kelvin in the presence of nickel catalyst to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen. A mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is known as water gas. This method is used for industrial preparation of hydrogen gas. Methane CH4 plus steam H2O in the presence of nickel gives carbon monoxide and hydrogen.